How to fix Outlook not opening or working. So first method is you can go to search box here and then you can search for Outlook and then you can right click and run as administrator and then you can just click yes. And if it's still not working, we go to the second method. You can go to the search box again and you can search for run and then you can click on it. And then you can type here outlook.exe space slash save. So we're gonna open the Outlook in save mode and then hit enter. And then if it's still not working, we're gonna go to the third method. You can go to the search box again, and then you can go to programs, and then you will find add or remove programs. You can click on it, and now you can search for Outlook. And then this is the Outlook app. Click three dots here, and then click advanced options. And you can scroll down, and you will find reset here, and then you can click repair. So we're gonna repair it and it's done. Now you can open the Outlook again. After that, if still not working, you can just delete the app, bro. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.